Are you excited that you get to go this time? Huh? You only get left once in a while, silly. Ain't today.
Today. Mom, watch
Yeah.
out for these. There's ants.
Yeah, we will. Good plan, Stan.
Wait,
What a beautiful location to do well, it is past sunrise now, but not too long after sunrise, and we are going on our hike.
Just started the old map on the. We're heading on the Lower Calf Creek Trail, and we're trying to avoid cactus. So we always go off trail, and there's cactus everywhere. And this is supposed to be one of the best hikes it's one of the best hikes outside of the Sirius National Parks in Utah. Hallelujah. We're going this way, though.
Oh, going this way. We got attracted by the Waterfall road. Silly.
Cute baby boots.
Lower Calf Creek Falls Trailhead. Woo woo. Getting started, getting started.
I got a stick.
I would call Tryson a special guest, but he's really just a brother, so, you know.
He's my uncle.
Exactly. Which makes him our brother. I think it starts out he's our brother first, then becomes your uncle, right?
Yeah, something.
Because I think you were born last.
Yeah. Obviously, I was born last.
Obviously, short stuff.
You're still a tender treat.
Yep. Small fry, teacup.
Stop calling me that.
Yeah?
Yes.
Oh, okay then.
Stop.
Until next time.
What about tender shoot? You know what that is?
No.
You ever seen a real big tree?
No.
Yeah, you have. Big, full-grown trees.
Oh yeah, the sequoia.
Yeah. You know how they all started?
No.
As a little tender shoot.
Oh.
Like a little soft thing like that. And then they grew into a big tree.
Okay.
So right now you're a little tender shoot. You're on your way to be a big tree.
Big tree?
Big tree.
Not me.
Yep.
I'm not a tree.
I don't know.
Our life can represent a strong, sturdy tree, though. And your life, I'm sure, will represent one. Raise them up right.
Oh my goodness, flowers.
Those are really pretty. They're coming from the cactus. Nana would love these. How beautiful, huh?
Yeah, I want to keep her a flower.
Well, those will die. All right, let's catch up with the guys.
I feel bad for her. I do. Oh wow, look at it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's coming. Very short.
Isn't this really cool?
It is.
It's a little house. Let's catch up.
Do your part. Do your part.
You can pass if you'd like. We are in a beautiful, beautiful place.
But
It is 6 miles, but that's okay. We got this.
Because she's already stored up enough water inside of her. It's the sweating aspect she doesn't have.
What a beautiful spot on a beautiful sunny day. And it's not too hot, and we are just our lives. Just like on any hike, honestly.
Rig that works as good as a backpack, and you'll get me in a fanny sack.
All right, well, we just got to clean out the bench.
See how quickly she was down for that? What'd she say? We just have to clean out the bench? Oh.
I hear all the animal sounds out there, the desert animals. Look how gorgeous all this is. And the guys are somewhere way back there.
Myra! Myra's enjoying this nice, beautiful, for Utah hike. And let's see if I can get something to send to Grant. It's beautiful out here. Perfect day.
Let's go.
Here in the Escalante Grand Staircase. I think it's a national monument on the Lower Calf Creek Trail. There's a 126-foot waterfall at the end of this trail.
Whoa, I didn't know it was that high.
Yeah! 126-foot waterfall.
I guess it's miles away yet, right?
I don't know. I'd have to look at a map.
We can't hear. So you'll be off quiet time in 5
We are heading down the trail. So beautiful. Flowers and cactus. These canyons are unbelievable. Hallelujah.
And from the biggest funeral home in our town, and we got to watch the entire body
Pretty
burn
stuff, isn't it, little
through the
one?
whole hole. Yeah, it was kind of interesting. I videotaped
Get the
it.
river
It's
down
on,
here.
I don't know if that's on YouTube actually, but it's one of our love clean videos.
There's a bunch of cracks we could climb up there, huh?
The whole thing while we were there cleaning, and got to videotape a lot.
I asked him all the questions.
Yeah.
To get a complete run. Pulling me. If short term it doesn't sound like if you volunteered for a couple days or a week or something, it doesn't,
Yeah.
there's not a lot of benefits. But the longer you commit to, the more benefits. Look at this. It's unreal. Let me get a picture of you. Hey, can I get a picture of this against this? How about one of me, like right? You got on the back?
Yeah, you want me to come this angle?
Wild. Look at the colors. So beautiful. Hallelujah!
Ooh, that echo.
Hallelujah!
Look at the door-looking thing
Where?
right there. That's probably a door to the mountain.
You think so?
Yeah.
Wow, look at this sandy river.
It might open someday. Looks like an eye.
Yes, look at that's a perfect little look at the sandy perfect river.
Oh, wow. Careful, Saint. That's a cliff, okay?
Yeah, I want to go jumping that.
You're that hot?
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay, here we are. That's what we're leaving behind, if you could call it that, to go walk on this 6-mile Escalante River Trail that, rumor has it, ends with a 26-foot waterfall. And sounds like nothing but a great time with my friend.
Look at this beautiful river.
There we go.
Wow.
That's what we needed right there.
We're almost to the waterfall, Saint.
I thought
And they jumped right in the waterfall.
Yeah?
This might be a better view. Oh, yeah. There's a little waterfall thing right here.
Yeah, your size waterfall?
Excuse me.
We're coming up on something glorious. Oh, I'm so excited. Look at that thing. We are super excited. This is where we're having breakfast at, and it is better than any view outside of the wilderness. Wow. And it's swimmable. I'm so grateful. So grateful. Yeah. Wow.